Hi, this is Lindsay from The Homey Life, and today I'm going to show you how to make milk kefir. So the first thing you're going to need is some grains. Now you can easily get this normally from Facebook Marketplace, on things like Gumtree, from a friend. Have a look around, they're pretty easy to find. You'll need 1 tablespoon of kefir grains to do about 1 liter of milk, which is equivalent to 4 cups of milk. Now you just put the grains and the milk in a bottle with the lid on and let it sit on the counter for about 24 hours or so. Now it can ferment faster if it's hot, it can be a little bit longer if it's cold. Once it's nice and thick as you saw just before, it should be thick and creamy. I like to strain it out, as you can see how I'm doing it here. And that way I'll just get my grains, separate that, put them back into another jar, and I'll top it back up with milk. Now you can either place this in the fridge and it will be fine for a solid week in the fridge before it needs a good feed, or you can let this ferment again for another 24 hours and do the process all over again. Now with the milk you have here, you have several options. You can drink it as is warm, you can put it in the fridge and use it for many different recipes, or you can do a second ferment, which I'm not showing you here, but it is pretty easy. What a second ferment is you would just throw like a flavored tea bag or some fruit in that milk and let it ferment another 12 hours, and it will just get that flavor from whatever you put into it, and remove the tea bag or that fruit and then just drink it as is. It is quite delicious as way, and it does add more health benefits. Now with the milk kefir, there's so much more you can do than just having to drink it as is. You can put it into smoothies, you can make chia pudding, you can strain it and turn it into a soft cheese, which you can then do to make cheesecakes or make it into a dip. You can use it in place of buttermilk for things like waffles and pancakes. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and also follow along for more healthy recipes. I will have the link to all these different recipes in the descriptions below. Please like, and I will see you again in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.